What damages can I recover in a Texas truck accident case? Well, in Texas truck accident cases, if it's a commercial truck, you're looking at policy limits of $1 million. If it has some type of hazardous chemicals in it, the policy limits might be even higher. So technically, you can collect the full amount, but you're going to have to do substantial treatment and be substantially injured to receive this amount. Sometimes you'll watch your commercials, and those commercials will say, hey, I was in a truck wreck. I was hit on the driver's side. I lost the vehicle. I almost lost my life. I lost my job. Then insert the name of lawyer, everything's great. I got my job back, I'm healed, and everything's back to normal. Then it'll scroll below the screen, $10.5 million on a truck accident. In order to get that much money, you gotta be close to a vegetable. So the severity of the injury will determine how much compensation is awarded in a truck accident. It could be from $100,000 to nothing to $1 million.